Are you having trouble downloading or installing the HP app on your phone or tablet? We'll show you how to quickly fix the problem, so you can start printing. If you get an App Store message that your phone or tablet is unsupported, check the system requirements in the app description. In your device settings, install any available operating system updates. Then, try to download the HP app again. If you're still seeing an issue, make sure your device is connected to an active internet connection. Then, disconnect any virtual private network, or VPN, connections and try to download the app again. If there's still a problem, you can print using the HP Print Service plugin or Apple AirPrint as a workaround. First, make sure your printer is connected to your network. If you've got an Android device, get the HP Print Service plugin from your App Store. Open the item you want to print, and then select the More icon or the Share icon. Select Print or HP Print Service plugin. Select your printer, adjust your print settings, then select the print icon. If you've got an iPhone or iPad, open the item you want to print, then tap the Share icon or the menu icon. Select Print, and then select your printer. Adjust your print settings, then select Print.